Welcome to the world of strategies for supporting a culturally diverse classroom multimedia course tour. My name is Richard Sanchez, and this is for the online teaching internship for Dr. Warren. Today is March 1st, 2020. And the agenda, we'll be talking about the introduction to the multicultural classroom. We'll be talking about the course learning outcomes. Model 1, what is bias? Model 2, teaching strategies for supporting a diverse classroom. Conclusion, questions, and the references. During the introduction, we should be talking about the concern of a diverse classroom, and everybody is welcome. While diversity leads to a more productive and tolerant creative society, through the inclusion of all people, background, cultures, and perspectives, we can develop greater respect and appreciation of the world around us. Thus, the goal of this mini course is to encourage teachers to use strategies for supporting a diverse classroom. In Model 1, we'll be talking about what is on the bias, and we should understand, respect, and respond to students' diversity. You will then have an opportunity to learn about the strategies to support multicultural students in the classroom. After completing this mini course, you will be able to mitigate for bias within themselves, advocate for diversity in the classroom, and implement specific strategies to support diversity in the classroom. In Model 1, you will be able to explore what is bias, introduction to bias, addressing personal bias. Now that you have to learn a little bit about bias, you can ask a question to see if you're biased or not. There is a test that is quite engaging and will help you determine if you're biased or not. Lesson 2, why bias, and the assignment will be advocacy for diversity in the classroom. Model 2, we'll be able to engage in teaching strategies that support diverse students. What is empathy? A discussion board, building empathy in the classroom. Diverse strategy for peer mentoring. Authentic learning. And this second part will give you an opportunity to do a draft on a lesson plan, and your final assignment will be creating a lesson plan that supports diversity. Among the tools available in the Blackboard, we have the collaboration tool, the Blackboard collaboration, in which you'll be able to connect with students and teachers. A discussion board, you can make your own films. There'll be announcements, and we have the roster. It's very interactive and user-friendly. So we'll be able to do the teaching strategies for supporting diverse students. You'll be able to explore what is empathy, the discussion board, building empathy in the classroom, discover strategies for peer mentoring, diverse strategies for authentic learning. The assignment will be creating a draft for a lesson plan, and finally creating a lesson plan. I thought it'll be important for us to bring forward one of the discussion boards that we will have available, using the experience and visual design elements in the mini course. And this part of the board is, we do use an array of technologies such as YouTube, Blackboard, virtual reality, and imaging for images from the past that can be used in the discussion board to distinguish the past and the future, and of course 21st century learning. So the fact that diversity is present and is not going away, it is time for us to actually engage and embrace diversity through the inclusion of people of all backgrounds, cultures, and perceptions. We can develop a greater respect and appreciation for the world around us. Thus, the objective of this mini course is to encourage teachers to use strategies to support cultural diversity in the classroom. Any questions? Thank you so much for participating in this mini introduction, and I hope you can enjoy diversity, and thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.